Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how you can start a successful career in this rapidly growing field. We will provide you with a roadmap, essential skills, learning resources, and practical tips to help you navigate your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's begin by understanding why artificial intelligence is such a promising career path. First, there are rapidly expanding growth opportunities, a high demand for skilled professionals, a projected 40% annual growth in AI jobs, competitive salaries across various industries, and diverse career paths and specializations to choose from. Second, the impact and innovation involved in artificial intelligence allows you to solve complex real-world problems, work on cutting-edge technologies, contribute to scientific advancement, and shape the future of technology. Now, let's look at a roadmap to guide you on your AI career journey. Milestone 1 is to build a strong foundation in mathematics, programming, and data structures. Milestone 2 is to specialize in a specific area, such as machine learning, deep learning, or specific AI domains. Milestone 3 is to build a portfolio with practical applications and open-source contributions. Finally, Milestone 4 is to secure internships, entry-level positions, or research opportunities. To thrive in the field of AI, it's important to acquire a diverse set of skills. We have technical foundations, A and M, L. Skills, tools, and frameworks, and soft skills. Some examples of technical foundations are linear algebra, calculus, statistics, probability, Python, and data structures. Some examples of A and M, L. Skills are machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. Some examples of tools and frameworks are TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy, and cloud platforms. Some examples of soft skills are problem-solving, critical thinking, communication, teamwork, continuous learning, and domain knowledge. There are several learning paths you can take to pursue a career in AI. The first route is the academic route, which is a formal education pathway focusing on theoretical foundations and research. The steps are a bachelor's in computer science, mathematics, or a related field, followed by a master's degree in AI, machine learning or data science, then a Ph.D. for research positions, which is optional, and finally research internships and publications. The second route is the self-taught route, which is a project-based learning approach with a focus on practical skills and portfolio building. The steps are online courses in programming and mathematics, specialized A and M, L. Courses and certifications, building a portfolio with personal projects, and contributing to open source and participating in competitions. The third route is a career transition, which is a path for professionals from other fields looking to move into AI. The steps are identifying transferable skills from your current domain, filling knowledge gaps with boot camps or courses, applying AI to problems in your current field, and seeking hybrid roles that combine domain expertise with AI. To help you along your learning journey, here are some top learning resources. For online courses, we have Andrew Ng's machine learning course, the Deep Learning Specialization, and Fast.ai. For practice platforms, we have Kaggle, Google Colab, and Hugging Face. For books and papers, we have Deep Learning by Goodfellow ETL, Hands-on Machine Learning, and Archive. And finally, for communities, we have GitHub /m L subreddits and Discord/Slack groups. Now, let's explore some of the most promising career paths in the field of artificial intelligence. The first one is machine learning engineer. The salary range is $110,000 to $170,000. They design and implement machine learning models and systems. They focus on productionizing machine learning solutions, and creating scalable machine learning infrastructure. Key skills are Python, TensorFlow/PyTorch, MLOps, and cloud. The second job is a research scientist. The salary range is $120,000 to $200,000. They advance the state-of-the-art in A through novel research. They develop new algorithms, approaches, and publish findings in academic journals and conferences. The key skills are AP, D, publications, advanced math, and research. The third is data scientist, with a salary range of $95,000 to $160,000. They extract insights from data using statistical analysis and machine learning. They focus on solving business problems through data-driven approaches. The key skills are statistics, S, Q, L, data visualization, and machine learning. The fourth is natural language processing engineer, with a salary range of $115,000 to $180,000. They specialize in natural language processing. They build systems that understand, interpret, and generate human language for applications like chatbots and translation. Key skills are transformers, BERT/G, P, T, linguistics, and Hugging Face. The fifth is computer vision engineer, with a salary range of $115,000 to $180,000. They develop systems that can interpret and understand visual information from the world. They work on image recognition, object detection, and video analysis. Key skills are C, N, OpenC, V, image processing and deep learning. And finally, the sixth is A, product manager, with a salary range of $120,000 to $190,000. They bridge the gap between technical A teams and business needs. They define A product vision, roadmap, and work with stakeholders to deliver A solutions. Key skills are product management, A understanding business acumen, and communication. A strong portfolio is crucial for showcasing your skills to potential employers. Here are some project examples. Build an image classification system, which is a model to classify images using transfer learning, using CNN, TensorFlow, and transfer learning. Build a natural language processing sentiment analyzer, which is a tool that analyzes sentiment in text data using BERT, Hugging Face, and natural language processing. Build a recommendation system, which is a personalized recommendation engine using collaborative filtering, PyTorch, and matrix factorization. Some portfolio tips are to focus on quality over quantity. 3 to 5 well-documented projects are better than many incomplete ones. Include detailed README files with problem statements, approach, and results. Host your code on GitHub with clean organization and comments. Create visualizations and demos to showcase your results. Participate in Kaggle competitions to demonstrate practical skills. To ace your A job interviews, it's important to be well prepared. Some common technical questions are: explain the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. Focus on training data, labels, and objectives of each approach. How would you handle imbalanced data? Discuss sampling techniques, loss functions, and evaluation metrics. Implement a simple gradient descent algorithm. Here is an example code. Define gradient descent with xy learning rate equals 0.01, epochs equals 100, m, n equals x dot shape. Weights equals number pi dot zeros n. For underscore in range epochs, predictions equals x dot weights. Errors equals predictions minus y. Gradient equals x dot errors divided by m. Weights minus equals learning rate times gradient. Return weights. Some interview preparation tips are: review fundamentals of statistics, linear algebra, and machine learning algorithms. Practice explaining complex concepts in simple terms. Prepare to discuss your projects in depth, including challenges and solutions. Be ready for coding exercises on algorithms and data structures. Research the company's A applications and be prepared to discuss them. And prepare questions that demonstrate your interest and knowledge. Your A journey starts now. Here are some actionable steps to launch your career in AI. Start learning today. Begin with a structured learning plan using the resources we discussed. Focus on building strong foundations before specializing. Build real projects. Apply your knowledge to solve real problems. Start small, then gradually tackle more complex challenges to build your portfolio. Join the community. Connect with other AI enthusiasts and professionals. Contribute to open source projects and participate in online forums and meetups. Remember, the AI field is constantly evolving. Commit to continuous learning and stay curious about new developments. Your persistence will be your greatest asset on this journey. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.